Hi friends, today we're going to make nature sun catchers. So first you need to get some supplies. We'll go, if you haven't been on the nature walk this week, you can go out into your yard or go on a nature walk around your neighborhood. I found some dandelions, some leaves in my yard, some sticks. You could get twigs, acorns, anything you can find. And then you need a plastic bag, a colored piece of paper, but if you don't have colored, white is fine, some glue, some kid scissors, tape, a ruler, a pencil, and a really heavy book. So this is the project that we're going to be making. This is our nature sun catcher. And to start, I'm going to take my plastic bag, going to cut down the sides, cut down the other side, and cut off the top. And when I'm done, you're left with a large piece of plastic here, but I'm going to keep in mind where it's folded. I'm going to fold it up a little bit. I've started this one. I wanted to make a bug because we're talking about bugs this week. This is, I took a leaf and broke the leaf stem and made some antennas. And now I'm going to take some tiny leaves I have from a clover and make a caterpillar. And you can just make whatever you want. I also made a flower. I made the letter C for Cascio. Just use your imagination. And then I'm also going to add the stem. Whoops, it's stuck there. And put some more glue on. And there's the antenna for my caterpillar. And I'm gonna put a dandelion so my bugs can be walking through a garden. You can also cut off the stem of the dandelion and make it look like a sun up in the corner. And after I'm finished with my picture, I'm gonna fold up the bottom and use my heavy book to press it down to flatten the flowers. And I'm gonna leave that while I work on the frame for the project. So then I have my piece of paper. Moms and dads, you wanna measure out strips and then have boys and girls, you can cut these strips as long as mom and dad says it's okay with some kid scissors. It's great fine motor practice. So when you're finished cutting, you will have 4 strips of paper, and I used, I put on 3 of them. What I'm going to do, I use my glue stick, put some glue on the front and make a frame. It doesn't matter if the pieces all match up, you can always cut them off afterwards. And after I finish gluing on my frame, I'm going to gently turn it over and use some tape to secure the bag onto the frame. Okay, and then I'll take my scissors, I gently flip it back over. I'll take my scissors and trim off the edges. You can use whatever color frame you want. I just liked yellow for the spring. And these are great to hang in your window. I'm gonna put some tape on the back. And I'm gonna hang this one. I made a flower with the leaves, so I'm gonna take this one, hang this one on my kitchen window. And that's it for today. Thanks so much, everyone. Please post the pictures of your sun catchers. Can't wait to see them.